Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make orange ginger sesame salad dressing. Now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first ingredient you will need is 2 large oranges. Also you will need about 2 tablespoons of orange zest and 2 teaspoons of ginger. And also you will need about 1/4 cup of sesame oil. Also, you will need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And the last ingredient you will need 1 tablespoon of honey. This salad dressing, you can use it pretty much on anything you want, any vegetables. Now let's mix all these ingredients together. It smells really good in here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!